Bonjour and welcome. Today we will learn how to pronounce one of the most iconic French bread that is always associated with French and France. So, how do you pronounce the name of this delicious bread? In French, we will say baguette, baguette, baguette. And if you are in the bakery, you will say une baguette, s'il vous plaît. A baguette, please. S'il vous plaît mean please. Did you know that the stereotype is true? The French really do crazy for baguettes and consume approximately 6 billion of baguettes per year. 6 billion, it's huge. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I need to go and eat my baguettes. Joke aside, please do subscribe to our channel and watch other food video pronunciation. See you, à bientôt.